Stop scrolling. One wrong upgrade can ruin your truck's look, and most Maverick owners don't realize it. Today we're exposing the best fender flares for Ford Maverick that fix tire spray, add aggressive style, and protect your paint. Which one actually fits perfectly, and which should you avoid? Let's start. Number 5. Uilffur 4PCS Fender Flares for Ford Maverick 2022 to 2025 deliver precision-engineered style and protection. Custom molded for a perfect fit, these matte black flares extend wheel arches with an aggressive wide design, shielding your paint from mud, rocks, and debris. Made of durable ABS plastic, they resist impact, UV rays, and fading. Installation is effortless, no drilling required. This full set offers complete coverage, enhancing both lifted and stock Mavericks with bold off-road aesthetics and functional defense. Number 4. EGR 753594 Rugged Fender Flare Set for Ford Maverick delivers tough, long-lasting protection with a sleek, matte black finish. Made from OEM-grade ABS plastic, these flares are UV protected to maintain their bold look over time. With additional tire coverage, your Maverick stays shielded from road debris. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required, CNC robotically trimmed, and includes weather-resistant hardware. Proudly American-made. These fender flares enhance both style and durability, giving your Ford Maverick rugged protection and a standout appearance instantly. Number 3. xipoqix Three-Section Fender Flares for Ford Maverick deliver a perfect blend of style and protection. Custom fit for 2022 to 2025 models. This 12-piece set shields your Maverick from mud, stones, and debris, preserving paint and panels. Crafted from durable PP material, they resist sun, chemicals, and temperature swings while maintaining a sleek, textured finish. Easy self-adhesive installation ensures a secure, no-drill fit. Enjoy sportier wheel arches, reduced cleaning, and long-lasting protection. Effortless performance and enhanced curb appeal in one package. Number 2. Maxzina Fender Flares are a smart, protective upgrade specifically for the Ford Maverick, delivering a clean OEM-style look with real-world durability. Built from high-strength PP plastic, these 12-piece front and rear wheel eyebrow covers provide full-body protection against mud, sand, and road debris. With precise fitment, no-drill installation, and secure expansion screw mounting, they offer long-lasting performance, improved exterior styling, easy setup, and dependable protection for daily driving and rough road conditions. Number 1. Mabett Fender Flares for Ford Maverick are a precision-designed upgrade that combines protection, style, and easy installation. Built from durable polypropylene with a modern black finish, these lightweight 4PCS fender trims use scanned vehicle data for a perfect factory-style fit. The updated injection-molded design installs with original screws, no drilling required. Pros include smooth edges, strong mud and sand protection, and seamless body integration, enhancing durability, appearance, and long-term value for Ford Maverick owners.